Druss! Come hither. Down here.
You're going to learn how to race
Stay here, everyone else, stay here. Right, so Druss has been with us for quite a while. He's still ugly, but you know. So yeah, without further ado, you have qualified for a shark badge.
Oh,
Hey! Nice.
hold it up, come on, Six. Yeah, look at that.
Speech.
Spooge!
Fuck you all. And now, at the committee meeting tonight, we change all the rules about how you get a shark badge.
Yeah. By handing in them all first.
Congratulations,
Excellent. Good job, bud.
Oh, President, the Führer, and President.
You can run down the line and touch everyone's hands now. Yeah, go on.
Come on, you're champ.
No, slow motion.
We allowed it.
Like the Baywatch kind of.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, good stuff.
Bouncing already.
Righto. Phil, go hide.
Go hide, bud. Good luck.
Go away.
That was
Hold on
excellent.
with the camera.
Poser.
Tell me we actually got photos then.
Yeah, mate.